In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a towel bar on a Premier or Deluxe series door. This towel bar also fits our older Encore series, which we discontinued a few years ago. I'm going to show you how to remove the existing bracket set and then replace it with a new one. It's a pretty simple process, takes about 5 minutes, and all you'll need is a simple Phillips screwdriver. Removal of the existing brackets and towel bar is pretty easy. On the back side of the door, you will see a thumb hole that has a cover label with our logo on it. You'll simply peel that label off and there'll be a Phillips head screw behind there. On the other side of the door, the screw head can be accessed pretty easy by just bypassing the doors carefully, and then there's a screw there. If you notice on this display here, we have two types of towel bar brackets available. They are interchangeable. There's a metal upgrade and then the standard acrylic. Now, to remove the thumb hole side of the towel bar, you'll simply just pull off the cover label, get your Phillips head screwdriver, and then carefully remove the Phillips head screw. A pro tip would be to hold onto the back side of the towel bar, so that way you make sure that when you get the screw all the way out, the towel bar doesn't drop and damage the glass. To remove the other side, you'll simply just bypass the doors carefully. Take your Phillips head screw. Pro tip would be to continue to hold onto the towel bar on the back side, so that way it doesn't fall and damage your glass. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and remove this screw. Your towel bar is free and ready for the new one. Reinstalling your towel bar is just as simple as reversing the process I've just shown you. The two different types of towel bar brackets, a little more close up. The standard acrylic with colored accent piece to match the frame of the door you may have. There's also the metal upgrade. It's a little more durable option. Also comes in the major colors that we carry our standard doors in. Just simply compression fit it into the towel bar itself and then remount it to your door. You're good to go. If you have any further questions on your towel bar installation, please email info@splendorShowerDoor.com. And thanks for watching.